Hey guys, Mr. Wahido Haque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be making a video on how to check your brake booster. You can use this on any vehicle that has it. So this is just to check that it's working and not faulty. Okay guys, so what you need to do first is to test your brake boosters if it's working or not. This is a Volkswagen Mark 6 Golf. You can test it on this because it has it. Some cars don't have it, but the ones that do, like, you'll know if you have it or not. So basically what you want to do is you want your car turned off fully. And you want to slowly press your brake pedal, like slowly, and then let go, depress it as well slowly. And because the car's off, it will build up pressure. There. You want to keep doing it till it's very stiff. So that's very stiff now. I can barely move that now. So that's at the stiffest point it is now. It's very sunny outside, by the way, guys. Look at that. Oh. Alright guys, so what you want to do now is basically while you're holding, you want to put a bit of pressure on the brakes. Just a bit. And basically what's going to happen is if your brake booster is working and you start your ignition fully with your engine on, then your foot will fall forward a bit because of the brake booster coming active. If your brake booster is faulty, then it'll stay stiff like that. So that's how you know if it's working or not. So hopefully it should, my foot should move forward on its own. Like it's built up pressure, it's full pressure now. So what I want to do is now just start the car fully. And if my foot falls forward on its own, then you know that it's working the brake booster. So I'll show you that now. Yep, fell forward, so you'll feel it as well in the pressure in your leg. What do you say?
I need this.
Okay. Alright, so basically it is working now. That's how you test it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out more of the car videos, and I'll do the tutorials and stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.